What's up, guys? So I thought we would take a break from all the exciting exotic travels and do a little bit of home decor. Is that what you would call it? Home designing?
Home decorating?
Home decorating? Why not? As you may or may not have known, we just moved recently and this is our brand new office space. So we kind of wanted to redesign it from our previous office space and decided, hey, why not take you guys along for the journey of us struggling to be interior designers, because we're not interior designers. No, we're travelers. So yeah, this is our room. It's not like an overly large room. How big is this room again? It's like...
We could measure it.
We could measure it.
It's about 10 feet by 11 feet.
Yeah, so...
Plus we have a closet in here where we're like just have all the gear just jammed right now. It's a mess. Maybe just like, I just picture the, like in the cartoons. Yeah.
Everything's a mess in here, but it's okay. That's what we're here to do in this video. Make it unmess.
Wow. We'll get there.
But essentially, this is where our like camera bags are gonna be, all of our cameras, our other gear. I don't know what we'll put there. We did actually do a full like new house tour. I'll leave links down below if you want to check that out. We have a window, which blinds are still en route. And then this was our main desk. So if you remember in our last office, we just had this one big desk, which both Matt and I would sit at. But now we're thinking we would spice it up for this office, and we got ourselves 2 brand new desks. They're not matching. And I have no idea how they're gonna look like since we just ordered them online. But that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna put together these desks and try and figure out what arrangement we wanna do with the office.
If there's any interior designers out there, feel free to comment. I don't think we're finishing this room today.
We'll see.
We'll just play with them once we have them set up and see what works out.
Let's do that. And then this is our kitty Mira. So we don't know what to do with this because see, Mira loves this chair, which is one of our office chairs. We need to find a good spot for her too.
All right, so you just put those together and I'll go make coffee.
Wait, what?
All right.
Okay. How is this easy to assemble? Like, what the... Into. All right, well, I mean, there's gonna be
Way too much fudge. Where were those little screws?
Oh, and then you like screw them like that.
Super straight and accurate. Yeah. The hole for that screw is on the back side of this. This needs to be flipped around. It's coming together. Come on. Should have just bought your desk. 2 of that.
It literally took like not even 5 minutes to put that together.
Wait, what's going on here? Why are these holes not the same? Oh,
Mira, do we wake you up?
sorry.
Ooh. Hey.
All right.
So over 2 hours. As you can see, I really like it. It's got the 2 drawers, but it's got no cable management. But it does have like this big like slot in the middle. Yours, on the other hand, has this beautiful cable management flap, which I'm actually a bit jelly of.
I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah. So
And just like put a power bar in here, which will plug in there, and then everything else can be plugged into the power bar and just have cords running in there.
And then you have this drawer that just rolls out, and that's where all your stuff will go.
I kind of wish this was 2 separate drawers.
Yeah, that's weird that it's like that. So we're gonna get rid of that desk. We are gonna move that, give that to my brother, and and then we'll figure out a layout. Well, friends, it's been a hot minute since the last time we've updated you on The Office. And, well, Some things have changed, other things not so much. We need to figure out what's going on behind me. So this is like probably the widest angle you're gonna see.
You like some money?
Yes, my money. I really enjoy my money frames. I think they look gorgeous. If we had like 3 of them, then you could have like money.
All
Just
side by
raining money. Ow! I got myself a new chair. This is my new office chair. It's got a blanket on it.
Rocking the fold-up chair.
We're working on that one. And we started like putting stuff non-successfully in corners. So this bookshelf was my sister's old bookshelf that she had since she was like a kid. We just repainted it white and that's been our gear shelf. But now that we have taken the doors off of the hinges, it's actually opened up this space a lot more, and now this is actually visible. So we kind of want to make this like just look a little bit better. Okay, we're getting a different light for this corner. There we have the camera set up. So this is pretty much what's gonna be kind of like. There's another thing I need to talk to you about. This desk situation. So now that it's been, what, a couple weeks? I think so. Been a couple weeks since we started putting these together? Not even, we've been away. I have started sitting at the desk and I have a dilemma. I think I'm gonna buy a different desk. So I don't know about you guys, but I like sitting like this. I like sitting cross-legged, not like a normal person, but I always have sat like this. I just find it very comfortable for my lower back. This is quite a little bit of a distance here, and therefore my knees, when I sit cross-legged, like hit this. We just bought this desk. Now I can't really return it because it's been too long and I've already thrown away all the packaging. So I might just sell it and buy a new one. That's the other option, is we put the shelving unit here.
Whatever furniture, like shelving units, whatever it is, I think we need to get that in here first before we put stuff on the walls.
No tape for today. We will reconvene in a week's time. So right now we've been rearranging our new shelving units. The shelving units have been put together. We're trying to figure out like a nice system for all of this stuff. Also, new update. I got a new desk. And this desk now has nothing underneath it. So it is sufficiently better. Alright friends, it is time to show you the final office reveal. We're about 90% happy with everything, but this is where it's gonna stay for the foreseeable future. So it's time to show you. Come on in. First thing when you walk into our office, you are greeted by our lovely cat calendar. So you know what kind of people we are. We have the filming setup. As you can see, we have the various lights, and this is my new filming desk. So we'll have our main camera there, like so, and it will be filming this way. I will sit in this lovely chair here, and here's our new backdrop. So first we have our tower of trinkets. I don't know what else to call it. It's a tower of trinkets. Turkish lamps that I painstakingly carried by hand from Turkey. And then Matt got working finally with a matching kind of Morocco themed pot plant. That one's from Home Depot. 100,000 subscriber plaque, which, maybe sometime in the future we can replace with 1 million subscriber plaque. We've got my Turkish Airlines plane, which I stole from a conference. I asked permission if I could steal it, but it was from a conference. And this beautiful makeshift, it's a license plate sign with my name on it. This was a gift from a subscriber. Joe, thank you. This is amazing. It's literally one of the best gifts I've ever gotten. I never displayed it in the previous office. I've had this for a while, but I never really had a spot in the previous office, but it looks amazing here. So I love this. Side note, if you see your license plate here, comment down below because I'm very curious what license plates make up the sign itself. They're US license plates. Globe, I think we just got that at
HomeSense. Yeah.
HomeSense, nothing special there. Down here we have another globe from HomeSense, and this is kind of like our charging station. So you won't really see this in filming, but it's very essential to the filming. We still need to get an office chair for you.
What's wrong with my chair?
Either way, we've got a plethora of plants. We got some Polaroids, which we'll need to take some more photos of. We have another plant. I've been enjoying the plants lately. There's a lot of them in our new place. We'll see how many survive the winter. The money signs. This was up in the previous office as well. We didn't really know where to place it. We're still not like 100% sure if this is going to be the final placement of it. It's kind of like an awkward spot. I don't know what to do with it. Then we're back to this desk, which you saw before. It is the filming desk. More plants, cameras. And then over here is our gear closet. So this is kind of where we keep all of our camera gear, all nice and organized. Some more accessories plus some business stuff. We have like receipts, contracts, and documents. My social media award that I got, Canada's top social media maven. Not flexing or anything, but this is my postcard station. So these are all the postcards that I write to you guys, and Christmas cards, which will be coming out soon. Maybe in a couple of the future videos, I'll do some Christmas card giveaways. Like filming bags, a bunch of other just random stuff that's very important. Artwork. So this was from India. This was like a hand-painted art piece that I got and I framed. And this one is from Bali. So it's like handcrafted wood art piece from Bali. So I hope you guys are as excited as we are for our brand new office. Let us know down below in the comments what your thoughts are, and we'll see you again soon here in our filming space. Bye.